Okay, to try to explain going from binary to decimal, see if I can explain a little better than I did last time. The key thing you got to understand is this weighting area here. Okay. Let me put my pen on here. This area right here. Okay, and basically not even that part, but this part here is the most important thing that you have to understand. So this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, then it goes 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 7, and that's where you get these numbers here. Okay, so if I have a binary number, let's just say I have a binary number 1, 0. This first number here, the factors in this area here, it starts out with 1, then you just double it. What is this? What's 1 plus 1? 2, right? So then this is 2. If we have another one, what's 2 plus 2? 4. What's 4 plus 4? 8. What's 8 plus 8? 16. So those are these numbers here that come out. So every binary digit that I have goes out. So it goes 1, goes 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32 would be next, and 64, then 128, then 256, and so forth. So these numbers do continue to go out there, but if there's a 0, we don't worry about it. The only places we ever worry about it is if there's a 1 for the number. Okay, so in this case here, if you look here, we've got a 1 here, so we bring the 4 down here. We've got a 1 here, so we bring this one, this factor down here. And then all we do is we add the factors, which gives us, in this case, 6. Okay? Hopefully that makes a little sense. Let's go to the next one here. Okay, so here, my binary number now is 1, 0, 0, 1, and 0. So this is my least significant bit here. This is my most significant bit. So my least significant bit here, the factor. Remember the factor? The factor here, it's 1. The first one is 1. Okay? The first one here is 1. The second one is 1 plus 1, which is 2. What's the third one? 2 plus 2, which is 4. And put those right underneath the binary numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And now I can stop there because I have no other numbers. The rest of the numbers are zeros. So I could continue on going all the way out here with zeros and add those up, but there's no reason to do this. It's a waste of time. Okay? So in this case, I bring these numbers down. So I have a 1 here. So I have a 0 here, so I have nothing there. But 1, I have a 16, right? 16 plus. I have an 8 here, so I don't have to bring that down. I have a 0 in the 8 spot. I have a 0 in the 4 spot. I don't bring that down. But I bring down this one because I've got a 1 there. And I have a 0 there. So this is going to be 16 plus 2, which is 18. And that's going to be my number. 18 is my decimal base 10 number for this binary number. 10010. Okay? See that? Let me try one more. Okay, one more with you here. So we've got, I'm not going to worry about the 0 in the most significant bit because it's not needed. I don't have to do that one. So I'm going to say 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, and a 1. What's the first factor? 1. What's the second one? 1 plus 1, which is 2. What's the third one? 2 plus 2, which is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And 16 plus 16 is 32. Sorry about my lettering. I'm doing it with a mouse. So now I've got to bring numbers down. So I've got a 1 here, so I need to bring this 32 down. Sorry about the line coming through. That's plus. I got a 1 here, so I got to bring the 16 down, right? Plus. Is there a 1 here or a 0? It's a 0, so I don't have to bring that down. Well, I have a 1 here, so I got to bring the 4 down. 0 here, so I don't have to bring anything down. And I have a 1 here, so I have to bring that down. So I've got 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. So 32, 48, 53, right? Am I correct on that? I think my math is correct. I had to count my fingers there, so sorry about that. I don't have my calculator here. So I'm pretty sure it's 53. So 32 plus 16, so it's 42, 48, 52, 53. So it should be 53. Okay, and there it is. Hopefully that makes, I hope this helps for those of you that are struggling with this, going from binary to decimal. Again, so let's just do this one here. Let's just do this first one, A here. So I go 0, 1, 1, and 0. My first factor number, 2 to the 0, which is 1. Then 2 to the 1, which is 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Well, I don't need that because I got a 0 there. So I got 4. I got to bring the 1 there, so I got to bring the 2 down there. Do I have to bring this one down? No, it's a 0, so it's going to be 6. This is going to be 6. Okay? Or 6, I guess you're supposed to put the little base 10 there. Oh, let me do that here. Okay? I hope this helps more. Let me know if you need more help. Just send me an email, and if we need to, we'll do a Google Meet and help you with that.